from the company Medgewell. Is an under tray storage to hold your electrical wires, USB wires, tools, accessories, anything that you want to put in there, supplies. It needs some assembly. You have two rubber stickers. One of them goes on the thumb bolt over here, like so, and it protects when putting onto the counter. When you place on the second one, it goes on the same exact way. A close-up shot on how it goes together. What you're going to do is place down like so and give a little pressure, pushing up so they adhere. You have 4 Allen key bolts, and you're going to now slip this underneath, like so, and lock one bolt on the top hole in the back over here into place, and place the next one on the bottom hole and screw on. Use the Allen key elongated or right angle side to lock down. A close-up shot of closing it down. Repeat for the other side the same way. Place on both bolts through the holes and onto the wire mesh. And lock down both bolts. This is the finished shelf. The bolts go through, wire mesh in black, 4 inches in height from underneath to the top, and 7 inches from the top to the very bottom, 5 inches across, and 15.7 inches in width. Now you simply take the shelf, align up, and tighten the thumb bolts. Lefty is tighty, righty is loosey. You have here our cable tie managements. They are self-adhesive and they'll stick underneath to run your cable leads. To give you an example, you take your cable, you bring it through like so. To tie your cables down, you're given 3 yellow Velcro tie wraps. These are the instructions on how to use the shelf. Place in your accessories like a power bank, controllers, even your smartphone. Electronics. It's easy to remove and transfer from one location to the next. Your wire management and supply accessory holder for under the desk, anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for in an under cabinet shelf, you can put your cables through the left and right hand side to pass through and around. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.